Hi guys, today I'm sharing some amazing new items you can choose from your fall box. This is all about customization 4. Make sure you stick around until the end because I have a code for you to help you save some money on the box. Now let's get started. All right, so this is the Eparé mini vegetable chopper, a pull chopper that saves time and effort. You can just pull the cord and in seconds you have chopped up food. It has stainless steel blades, so it's great for cutting. You can just put the food in here, tighten the lid, and pull this lever. Pull the lever, Kronk, and you're good to go. I love to make tzatziki, so I usually just put dill and cucumber in here and pull this lever, and I mix it with the sour cream and Greek yogurt. If you know what tzatziki sauce is, it is wonderful. I also love to make guacamole, so I just put tomatoes and smaller vegetables in here as well. And if you have a smaller dog who eats smaller portions of food, this is great as well, so you can just cut the food up in here for them and just give it to them. My dog Jade is the light of my life. I mentioned her last time, and I still use all of my FabFitFun products for her. Okay, so this is the Unite 7 Seconds Leave-In Detangler. It instantly detangles and preps and protects your hair. It is a protein-based formula, so it leaves your hair strong and healthy. It seals the cuticles and protects your hair from heat and UV, which is very important. It's good for all hair types. I tend to use this when I take out my braids, so if there's any buildup, I just spray it onto my hair and detangle it after. You can just use any shampoo or conditioner to cleanse your hair and then towel dry it. Spray the detangler on the damp hair and gently comb to distribute. It has a nice perfume set. It reminds me of the American Girl doll Truly Me perfume. If you were an American Girl doll user like me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It leaves your hair smelling good, and this is the detangler for you. This is a Lyfestyle Co. Natural Green Tea and Aloe Body Polish. It's soft and fine grain polish that uses the power of green tea. It pampers and softens the skin without oiliness. It gives your skin the refresh it needs to prepare for those winter months. You can just scoop with your fingers and apply it to your wet skin and gently massage in circular motions, focusing on rough areas. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. It has a light scent and smells just like the spa. I love the smell of it. It has a bouncy and light grainy texture. This is a LUXIE Enchanted Eye Set. It is a 4-piece eye brush set to create all sorts of makeup looks. It has soft synthetic bristles with chic forest green handles exclusive to the FabFitFun fall box. They're good for everyone, even if you're not great at makeup. It's a good starter kit. They have descriptions on what they're for. This is the short shader, concealer brush, the blending brush, and the flat definer. This is the Whish Rose Hip Lotus Mineral Milk Bath. It moisturizes and soothes your skin. It's emollient and mineral rich to help hydrate. You can add however much you want to a running bath, soak and relax. I'm a huge bath person, and as I'm busy with Jade, this is my relaxation away. I love to put on some music, some little toxicity in the air, Brent Fayez, and it smells like roses, so I'm getting the best of both worlds. For a full look at all of those items you can choose this season, make sure you customize your fall box. And the code that I promised in the beginning is customize. Let me know what you're picking in the comments below, and I will see you next season. Bye.